Okay, I want to show you how to create a design, but find a template that's specific to what you're looking for. Okay, so first we need to figure out what we want. Let's say we want a flyer. Okay, and then we pick the size of flyer that we want. So the maybe 8.5 by 11, is that a choice? There it is. All right, so once we pick that, now we're gonna come over here to the left toolbar here, and we're gonna make sure it's on design. And then we're gonna use this to find our template. All right, so let's say that we want it to be for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, we pick the one that we want. And now we're only gonna see templates that are in the size that we want. All right, so they'll fit this one perfectly. And they're all about St. Patrick's Day. And they're all flyer templates, okay? So now I can find one. I really like this one. Now I can come over here and I can just change out everything about my event, okay? So I can put in the address here. I can change out whatever I want. If I want a different color orange, I can come up here and then I can come down and pick like this color orange instead. Who knows, that might be the same. And then change all. It is probably the same orange. So let's say I come up here and I mess around with the orange to be more of like a burnt orange. Okay, and then I'm always gonna change all, and it's gonna change it everywhere that orange was, okay? So that's all you have to do.